Morning, y'all. This is day 2 of our week-long day in the life of a digital nomad vlog. We still haven't totally decided on the name. By the time we post this, we'll have a name for it.
Yeah, we'll have something. We'll have a cool title, maybe something like this.
If you're new around here, we're Chris and Sarah, a husband and wife, full-time traveling digital nomad duo. This week, we're taking you with us to show you what it's like to be a digital nomad, both on the fun days as well as the more boring days. Let's go. Actually doing this thing a little different. So we're digital nomads and we're also travel vloggers. We do a little bit of everything right now.
Yes.
But a lot of people have questions about our videos and how we make them and what that's like.
Oh, I just hit myself
This is our main setup. So what this is gonna look like today is I think I'm gonna be the one to take y'all around for our day in the life video. And you'll see Chris too. He's gonna be here talking some. But I'm gonna be focusing on this camera you guys are watching on. I'm gonna take you guys around today, show you what it's like to film a travel vlog, and then Chris is gonna primarily use his camera to actually film another vlog, a travel vlog. So we're in St. Petersburg, Florida, and this video that we're filming today isn't gonna come out for a few more weeks. So the video you guys are watching now is a couple weeks ahead. But he's gonna film that one today, and so you're gonna see me showing what he's up to and what I'm up to on the back end. But we're gonna try to keep just a little bit away so you guys don't actually see everything we're doing in St. Pete. We're gonna show you the process of it.
Yeah, and you'll get to see us both look like just idiots trying to take pictures of food and, you know, whatever. Like, we're those people. So, but you get to see it today.
It draws a little attention. We'd like to say we like fly under the radar. That doesn't happen when you've got 3 cameras. I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna film our introduction for our St. Pete video, and yeah, this is a day in the life of a travel vlogger.
All right, let's go.
All right, so now as a part of this video, we're going to go eat because we're hungry. So I'm not going to show you guys all the details of what we're eating. You'll have to check out the other video for that. But I'm going to get shots of Chris and me taking photos and videos inside the restaurant. So let's go draw a little attention to ourselves.
One thing that we do a lot that you may not see is we actually ask people if we can film inside, because some people are pretty particular on that. So we actually just talked to the manager at this restaurant. He gave us the okay. So right now, I'm gonna go get B-roll of this coffee shop, picking up the microphone because I don't want anybody to stare at me, and it's a little less conspicuous when I just have this instead of this. The other thing about filming at restaurants is the earlier we can get there during the day, the better. Because you're not having to deal with a lot of people and a lot of stairs, because it's nerve-wracking. It stinks holding up this camera and then somebody's just
in the background gawking at you. And it makes for like, so how we're kind of doing it these days is I get some video on my camera, but Chris really has the main video camera because he has the microphone on his right now. I don't have one on mine yet. And then I get pictures for our blog as well. So I'll walk around and get pictures, and then Chris will walk around and get video, and then we'll do talking head and just kind of like trade off a little bit. But it just makes for better pictures and better video if there's nobody there. So we try to get to places at, you know, early in the day, or we just look on, you know, Google Maps, kind of lists like the busiest times of day, like the little graph and tells you like how busy something is. And so we kind of go off of that and go to like the least busy times of day just so we can get good stuff.
And with that said,
doesn't always happen.
Yeah, it doesn't always happen. And so you'll see multiple takes. You'll see just, you know, us waiting, or, you know, a big truck will come by with their muffler, you know, really loud, and it's, you know, it's just it's a part of the experience. But the more you do it, I will say, it gets easier. It does get easier.
And we're still relatively new at this, but we're learning a lot. We've learned a lot fast, I feel like.
Yeah.
I'd give us that.
All right. So we're gonna film on this big camera now.
I'm gonna set this up over on that garbage can right there. So you guys are gonna watch from the side.
You're gonna have
film
to
on this one. There's the van. All right, walking back to the van, gonna get Kramer. I think our next, I can't tell you guys what our next stop is. You'll have to watch the other vlog for that. Sorry to tease you guys so many times on that. But we're gonna go for a walk, and I think we'll take our cameras and get some more shots.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We gotta get some more shots.
All right, just parked the van. You can probably see it back there. We just got out of the car again. Put an hour on the meter. We're going to film some more. So I'm gonna follow Chris around as he's getting some B-roll of downtown St. Petersburg. Oh, and Kramer's with us too now. We like to get Kramer out as much as we can when we're doing like city vlogs, especially because it's a good chance for him to get out and walk, and we don't like to leave him too long or too far from us, especially in cities. But St. Petersburg, it's pretty safe.
It's pretty safe. They have got tons of places to run, bicycle. All right, let's just go.
You've heard me say 1,000 times before that plans change all the time, and they just changed again. But I think we just want to be frank with you guys and say that travel vlogging, we have our bad days pretty often. I shouldn't say pretty often.
It's not pretty often.
It happens. We have those moments where it just feels like nothing's working. And we just had one of those moments downtown St. Petersburg, and instead of standing there on the sidewalk and stressing about it, we got in the car and we drove to a coffee shop we've been to before that we really like, because it's hot, it's humid, we're sticky and sweaty and gross, and we just want iced coffee. And so instead of trying to make that section of the travel vlog work, we just said, you know, scrap it, and we're gonna go get coffee and just take, you know, an hour or so and just kind of cool off, literally. Yeah. Emotionally and every way.
And it's all about being flexible.
Yeah.
Like, that's the key, it's just flexibility. So we're being flexible.
We'll get some coffee, much needed coffee.
Let's go get coffee.
All right, got our coffee, iced lattes, Bandit. Just sitting here.
We should put sad music behind them.
It is playing sexy. We're just gonna enjoy our coffee for a few minutes. I think there's people sitting behind me in the window that are probably staring at me right now, so hello, people. I think there is. All right. Coffee is working its magic, and we're feeling a little more refreshed.
Sometimes it's just nice to like be in the moment. There's this movie called Walter Mitty that there's this moment at towards the end, not really a spoiler, but he finds a photographer and he's like trying to take a picture of this snow leopard, and then he just stops. And you know what? I'm gonna show the clip now.
When are you gonna take it?
Sometimes I don't. If I like a moment, I mean me, personally, I don't like to have the distraction of the camera. I just want to stay in it.
And it's such a beautiful moment. It's like, you know what, sometimes you just have to put the camera down and just be present. So
yeah. Oh gosh, flashed a lot of people in St. Pete in this dress today. It's a little windy. My apologies, St. Pete, or you're welcome, whichever way you want to look at it.
So we're feeling better. I think we're gonna get back into the van and start doing more of this vlog stuff. So
pick up where we left off.
All right, let's go.
I'm down here walking, and Chris is getting B-roll with his. I think he spotted a mural on the side of the wall, and he's just getting some extra shots. And stuff like this is like really good transition shots. So when we're transitioning from the coffee shop we just went to, and then the next segment we're about to film, having good B-roll really does help pull the video together when it may just seem kind of choppy. So like good, you know, landscape and action shots, it really does add to it. Alright. It's been several hours. We're still carrying around multiple cameras.
What?
Chris has got one.
Sorry.
I got the other. All right, before we say goodbye for the night, we do want to do one more little behind the scenes shot. Chris just took the drone up because the sunset is getting to the perfect point, which is sort of how we're going to finish out today's vlog on St. Pete. So here he is, just flying the drone. What do you think, Chris?
I think it'll look cool.
Hey, there's us. Oh, there it is. All right. Hope you guys like this vlog. What do you guys think about this? Do you like seeing a little bit of what it's like to maybe do a travel vlog? This is a pretty moderate day for us. So every day is gonna look different depending on where we're at. And we're just in a small city in Florida. So that may look different if we're in Thailand or if we're in, you know, Montana. But let us know what you guys think. If you guys wanna see more of these little behind the scenes kind of thing. So we'll show you guys more later this week as we start to edit this video. But also stay tuned, this video comes out mid-January. We'll put the exact date up here. We have it planned out actually. So if you guys want to see what we saw on the other side of the lens today, check it out. All right, see you guys.